Hi, this is Mike Bresnahan. I'm going to be teaching you how to uh, install a map in Minecraft and how to set up a profile so you don't have to keep installing it and changing it, and it'll all be in one place, so all you have to do is click on a profile in Minecraft. So we're going to get started right away. I'm going to open up my notes. So the first thing we're going to talk about is that it's not a Forge mod. This is for vanilla Minecraft, but it's for 1.8.7 Minecraft. So we're going to go ahead and do a couple things. We're going to install the map, and then we're going to create a Minecraft profile. Uh, I'm using Windows 7 for this. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to configure the folder settings so that you can actually navigate to the Minecraft folder. And what you'll do is you'll go up to Tools in Windows Explorer, click Folder Options, go over to View, then show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Once you've done that, you can actually navigate to the folder, or you can just go to your start round circle in the left hand corner and type in percent app data percent, hit the enter key, and that brings up your Minecraft folder right here. That's your Minecraft folder. So once we've done that, you can, we're going to go on to the next step. We're going to find a map that you want to play. I've found one that I've seen on YouTube already. Would You Rather? Now, I found it here. Let's go find it. This is where I found it. I found it on minecraftmaps.com. And uh, let me warn you, when you're going to find maps or mods or anything like that on any of these forums, be careful what you click on. If you notice, we have one start download, which is not the map that we want. It'll download online map finder. The second one is the same thing. Sometimes there's two or three of these in a game. Now we're going to scroll down to where would you rather and download map. Now, if it goes to AdFly, what'll happen is you'll see an ad and it looks like it's the thing that you're supposed to download. But up at the top it'll say you can skip this ad in 3, 4, 2, 1 seconds. Once you do that, then you click on it and then you're able to actually download your stuff. So I've already downloaded it, and what I've done was I've created a folder in under .minecraft, and it's would you rather, and I put the zip file inside this folder, and we'll get to get to it later what you need to do with this folder that we've created. But you have to know that this zip file contains the files that you need that you're going to drop into the world folder once it's created. So we'll minimize that, and let me go back and check my notes. Uh, you also have to note the version of Minecraft that it was developed for. This one was developed for 1.8.7, and you'll see later where you have to specify that in the profile. So we've found our map, we've downloaded it, created the folder. Now it mostly is it's a zip file. If a map is a zip file. Now mods for Forge, which we're not doing today, uh, the mods for Forge is usually a jar file. So I'm going to do another how-to on how to install Forge mods and different things. There's a lot of different mods that you can get for Forge. That's why a lot of people love it so much, because it gives a lot of functionality and features that you normally wouldn't get in a regular Minecraft and vanilla Minecraft. But we're going to be playing vanilla Minecraft today. So we've created that folder under Minecraft. Now we're going to go to our Minecraft folder. By the way, all of this is going to be in the show notes, so you can have a step-by-step, uh, step-by-step instructions on how to install a map and make a profile. So we've got our Minecraft open, and uh, what we're going to do first is we have to create a new profile. So uh, I'm gonna choose the latest version. If you see, I've got Pixelmon and Orspawn already created, and I've got different versions of Minecraft. A lot of online servers that you play on will be 1.8.9, 1.9.4, not the latest version. I do have several versions of Forge installed, and I'll show you that in a second. So we're going to choose the latest version, and we're going to create a new profile. Once you've done that, I'm going to rename it. Profile name, Would You Rather. Would you rather? Okay, got that. Oh, can't type today. Would you rather? Now the second thing you have to do is to retain this profile, you have to tell it where the game directory is. So I know the name of my game directory. Would you rather? Now the next thing is I'm going to come down and choose 1.8.7. Before I do that, you'll see I have two versions of Forge here. I've got 1.8.9, which we're using for a Pixelmon server, and 1.7.10, which I use for Orspawn. You have to have that for Orspawn. So we're going back up to 1.8.7. Here is something interesting. I've had a lot of games that I play just crash out of the gate. Now, I've got 8 gigs of RAM on my computer, so the default is 1 gig. If you have 4 gigs, change it to 2 gigs. I changed this to 4 gigs. If you only have 4 gigs of RAM, or less, leave it at the default, which is 1 gig. So I've created the profile. I'm going to save that. Now the first thing we have to do is we have to launch this in 1.8.7, and it takes a minute. So we're launching this, and here it comes up again. As always, sometimes it takes forever. The newer versions, I don't know what they did, but it takes 3 or 4 or 5 times longer to load it. Now, once we've done this, I'm going to click on multiplayer. Oh, no multiplayer, single player. And I'm going to choose create world. New world. We're gonna rename this to Would You Rather, because we're gonna come back to this later. Would you rather? Okay, it doesn't matter what it really is. Create new world. Here we go. Once we create the world, it we don't have to stay in the world. We're gonna go ahead and exit out of this. Save and quick to title. Alright, we're going to go ahead and minimize this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to, if you see this right now, now this should have created a world. Let's Let's refresh this. Oh man, I can hear that. We're gonna turn down the music and the sound on this so you can hear me. Here we go. Alright. So the music and sound is down. Done. It gets loud. So this should have created a world. What is the... I want to refresh this. Oh, I'm sorry, saves. Duh. So that's our world. Once we've done that, if you can see that we have a world. I'm sorry, I'm confusing the server. Servers create directories called world. This one is in your saves. So we have that. Now I'm going to go back to the zip, and I am, first of all, I'm going to delete everything in the would we rather world save that was created. So we're deleting everything there. Now we're going to go into the world zip. Because I have Windows, I can click on it, and we're gonna put everything in here, copy to the would you rather save, and you can see everything is here. Now, if the map requires a resource pack, this is where you put it. So we've got our new world created. We've done all this. And then I'm going to run Microsoft and see if this works. Now remember, this doesn't always work. So we've got would you rather, play selected world, and it looks like it worked. Oh my gosh. Eh, let's let's go ahead and make this just a little larger, and we're going to go back to the game. Now, before in the show notes, I said to always look at the download page, because it'll tell you some maybe how-tos, or it'll give you a link to a wiki or something. So this looks like that you can put this on a server too. And I'm going to do that in another episode where I'll show you how to configure a server and a client map so that you can do that. We've done that in our survival server. So it says, what does it say? It says you must decide which option you would rather take. To score a point, you must choose the same option as the highlighted selector. When he chooses, you have 10 seconds to choose. So, let's see. And make sure to allow command blocks. Have fun. Let's see what happens when we go back here. Back to game. All right. So we're playing in creative and we're flying. Well, that's how they created it. So I'm going to go over here and see what this says. And we're going to try it. The trash can. Okay. Opt in, opt out. I wonder what happens if I... Oh, the trash can. Alright, so how do you start the game? Let's see. I don't know how to start this game. What's this? Oh, this looks interesting. Mysterio 77 Test Monkey. Looks like these are the guys that have made this. Ooh, this is awesome. Oh, look at how they made that with the heads and the wool heads and the armor stands. Feeling ugly? Try some new clothes for free. I'm not changing my clothes. All right. So, would you rather book series created? Hmm. All right. Now, I'm gonna. I don't know how to start this game. So, rules. I don't see any rules. So, there are no rules. Rules? What rules? All right, we started the trash can. Now, opt in, opt out. I'm going back to this because I don't know. I don't understand how to play this game. Highlighted selector. Okay. The game is support if you. All right. So back to the game. Let's see if anything works. Save and oh no, we want to go back to the game. Oh that looks like it's highlighted. All right. Nope. No click. All right. I'm going into survival. Game mode 0. All right. Now can't choose that. Can't choose that. Can't choose that. Not that. Alright. Something I'm missing something here. What am I missing? Oh, start. Duh. Alright. Do I step on this for start? Oh! I did! Welcome to Would You Rather. Please wait. Alright. Player one's first turn. Alright, where do I go? Choice 1. Alright. Oh, what does that say? Would you rather end every sentence you say with YOLO or dip a chip in salsa made from dead mosquitoes? Would you rather end your... I'm supposed to choose the same thing for... What's this here? Choice 2. Oh, I get it. Okay, choice 1. I have no idea. Would you... This doesn't make sense. Would you rather end every sentence you say with YOLO? Alright, we're going to take choice 1. And you have to backspace out of this, and I think this would select it. Oh, you press the button. Okay. I don't know. 10 seconds to choose. What? What do I choose? Ah! Ah! Nah. What? Time's up. What on earth did I do wrong? How do you get in there to choose? This is crazy. Okay. Choice 1, choice 2. I want to take choice 1. Let's see what happens. I have no idea how this works. All right. I'm going to have to figure out how this works and come back and make another episode about Would You Rather. Now that you know how to create, install a map and create a profile, you'll be on your way. But first, before you go, what we'd like you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, here's our channel. We've got over 300 subscribers with a couple thousand views. We have made over 60 videos. So, we're going to end this episode now, and I'm going to be making a lot more of the how-to videos, not only with Minecraft, but computer stuff and some other stuff. So, with that, you guys have a good time playing. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you for the next one. Thanks, bye.